Hey guys, Matt here. I wanted to go ahead and do a little video on TOR, the TOR web browser. It's a modified version of Firefox that offers a ton of privacy. Now, in the past few videos, I was talking about how to set up a VPN and how to stay private, more or less. TOR is another way to stay private. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. You can just do a search for TOR on Google. It should lead you to torproject.org. TOR basically is a network of encrypted connections or encrypted computers or relays. I don't know how you want to call them, but they have a really nice little graphic here on how TOR works. So it's a series of computers all across the world that encrypt your traffic, and then they eventually deliver you to your destination spot. So let's say I want for my computer here at my house to go from my computer to yahoo.com. Well, normally I would just connect straight to yahoo.com. Boom. And that traffic may be encrypted. It may not be encrypted. I don't know. But with TOR, I would connect up to one TOR node, one TOR computer or relay, however you want to say it, and then that would pass me off to another encrypted TOR relay, and another one, essentially masking your tracks pretty good. I mean, if somebody wants to find you, like the government, it's possible. But you're really going to give them a pain in the ass kind of, way to find you. You're going to have to be on a list already for them to kind of do that, I think. And you're going to want to be really targeted because it takes quite a bit to find a user on TOR and to hunt down all of their traffic. Now, you can complicate things further by paying for a VPN, then using the TOR browser. So it's like double encryption, double, masquerading, basically. So right here, this is a great link. You should really pay attention to this link. You should really read it. It's really good. torproject.org/about/overview.html.en or whatever your language is. So let's go ahead and download it real quick. Some people like to use TOR as their main browser. I've had issues of it. Sometimes some websites may not load. If they see that you're coming off of a known TOR node, they'll just block you because they are like, why are you trying to be private or whatever? But that's so rare. I mean, I've used TOR constantly, and I've only had a few sites, deny me. So we'll go ahead and say finish. You can see how quick that downloaded. I'm on a 100 meg connection here in the United States. Let's go ahead and go through the TOR network settings. I would like to connect directly to the TOR network. That's for most situations, yeah. So we're going to go ahead and get a bunch of relay information, all the different TOR nodes across the world, and we're connected. That's it. We are browsing safely now. There's one way you can test if you're browsing safely. Let's do a little test here. All right, so on the regular old Edge, or IE, whatever the hell you want to call it. Let's just do my IP. So this is my IP address for the next, 15 minutes. That's typically how fast it changes here. Now, let's go ahead and use the TOR browser. Except we're going to go ahead and use a different website called ipleak.net. Sorry, I'm typing sideways. Okay, so ipleak.net gives us a little more information on our connection. How private it is. It says I'm in Russia right now. My IP address is now 94.242, whatever. So you can see any website I visit. If I visit some random website, their logs are going to get this IP address that I'm from Russia. And who knows how many different Tor nodes I've been through. I could have been through 6, 12 different Tor nodes. Who knows? And good luck tracing that back. It's a job. It's possible, but no one's going to do it unless they really, really, really want to. So yeah, that's just a good example of how that works. You can see I can go to any website I want to right now. I could go to yahoo.com if I want. I always use Yahoo because it's such a whatever site just to test with. They're slow. They do not load nearly as fast as like your regular browser, but you're protected. And you can see the different languages that come up. Yeah, it's a little odd because it's basically Google's basing its language based on where it thinks I'm coming from. So I don't even know what language it is. Oh, .nl, so Netherlands. So I know this is a super short video, but that's how Tor works. If you want to stay private, if you want to visit a website privately, maybe you want to visit some forum privately, you know, speak your mind for real, or whatever. You just want to be private, and Tor is a decent way to do it. It's free. And like I said, I advise you to check out that one link I mentioned earlier. It gives you a much better explanation of it. But that's it. So try out the Tor browser. Use it with the VPN if you want to be ultra secure, ultra anonymous. And that's it. Next video, back onto some antivirus stuff. I'm going to check out Avast Internet Security 2017. And I'll see you guys later.